How to use Lovable AI website builder. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a website using Lovable from scratch. But before we jump into the video, make sure you go to the description and click on the link to get the best deal that you can get for Lovable for the lowest price. So let's just go ahead and get back to the video. So to get started, you're just going to go ahead and go to the projects page. And obviously you would want to create your account at this point or logged in. And what you want to do is just click on create from the top right and click on new project. It's just going to take you to this page, which is where you're just going to build whatever you want, including websites. So this is going to be the very most important prompt that you want to do, because this is going to save you a lot of credit, because you don't want to keep editing later on because it's going to cost credit. So it's better if you just go ahead and use a super prompt at the beginning, trying to describe everything that you want to the most detailed part of the website that you want. To make things easier for you to create a prompt like this one, for example. So to do so, what you want to do actually is go to ChatGPT or Gemini or any AI that you use at this point. And what you want to do is just tell them that you want to create a website and you want a super prompt for it. And maybe they can ask you a few questions about your website, or if you already know of it, you can just go ahead and tell them, and they're just going to generate this prompt for you that you can use. Or you can just type it out manually if you know exactly what you want and you think you can actually phrase it to the best of your ability. So again, try to be as descriptive as possible with the first prompt, so you don't have to edit a lot later in the future. So once you actually get yourself a great prompt here and it's super detailed, you simply just want to go ahead and click on send and watch the magic happen. Now, this is a project that I worked on as a test that I did before, which is, creating a landing page. And it's really going to look, as you describe it. This was, me describing a landing page, which is going to have a gradient and glowy bits at the background, and it is, gold and black. And you can see how great it is actually when it comes to generating websites and so on. So you're going to find yourself with either the home page or whatever you actually requested it to do. You can even, add more pages within the prompt if you want to. So you can, add home page, this, and also contact page, which has the contact form. All of these things you can actually add to your prompt. And now the second step would be to actually browse and see everything that you want to see in your website page. So don't settle for what you think is inconvenient. Just try to see everything that you want to change and make notes of it. Again, because we don't have a lot of credit to do every single prompt separately. So try to just take note of everything that you want to change, even text. For example, the elevate your experience text. We don't want that. We want it to say something else. You can just go in and take note of that. And then we're just going to make adjustments to with the chat itself. So we're just going to browse and see what we don't like, so we can actually go ahead and change it. For example, the statistics here, I can feel free to completely remove them if I don't want to. And also change the address and phone number and even the Gmail at the bottom. So let's just go ahead and do that. I'm just going to do this. For example, I'm going to remove the statistics and also change the contact us information at the bottom right. So I'm just going to go ahead and very quickly say, and again, like I said, try to make it all in one prompt. So whatever you don't like, just try to state it in here. Even if you want, adding some effects to the background like this one, which is a glowy background, you can do that and ask it for specific colors. So I'm just going to type a prompt real quick. So here's my prompt. The stats section right above the stay connected section, remove it entirely. And for the contacts us information at the footer, I want the address to be as follows: 555 test whatever, and also the phone to be 1111 at the end, and the email is just a bunch of tests, as you can see. So even if you don't know how to describe a specific section, you can just do so by talking to the AI as if it's your friend, and it's just going to do it for you. For example, the elevate your experience. Let's just go and change that as well. So here, for example, I said the main header elevates your experience, change the text, make it sound more bold. So you can either change it to specific text that you want to replace it with, or you can just go ahead and give it a, specific personality, whether it's bold, friendly, that kind of stuff. And just go ahead and see whatever you want to change. And I really mean everything that you want to change, and try to do it in one prompt or at least two. Okay, you don't really want to do a lot of prompts here. So once you're happy with your changes in your prompt, just go ahead and send it and wait for it to change everything for you. So again, what's going to happen is the stats here are going to be removed, and also the contact us information is going to be changed, and the elevate your experience as well. So let's just go and wait for it and see what we're going to end up with. Okay, so let's just go and take a look at it. As you can see here, the first thing is on the extraordinary, and then if we scroll down to see stats, they're basically gone, and also the contact us is basically what we wanted it to be. Again, this is not only the things that it can actually change, it can generate more sections. You can add a section with a tree image if you want to, which has text on top of it that says trees rock. Whatever you actually wanted to say. For example, the stay connected here, the stay is white and the connected is kind of gold. You can change the colors of that. You can change the colors of anything that you want, or even add links to these buttons here actually. So you can actually go ahead and add your Facebook page and make it link it to this button. And also same goes for Twitter, or make it even change the Twitter icon to X. Same goes for Instagram and so on. So whatever you want to change, just go ahead and talk to Lovable as if it's your friend, and it's just going to do things for you. It's like you actually hired a graphic designer, which is going to do whatever you want with this website. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And obviously you can if you want to copy the code, you can do it one by one in here, or you can just connect to GitHub, and it's just going to sync everything to your GitHub repository, where you can actually simply just download the entire project. So with that being said, hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.